Hey, back again. Just part 2. You can see a different camera angle. I had to, maybe you can hear the dryer going in the other room. I had to fix my dryer that broke the other day, yesterday. I realized I didn't give you a rundown of the tone options, so we're going to change. We're going to do a little more. I'm going to show you about the tones on the SRH505F. So here it is, tone all the way up. Here's the B string. You notice the B string is nice and light, nice and loud and tight. Trick for you people who learning fretless and want to practice your intonation. Try to get the 7th position there on the A string and then the E string ring out. That's how you can test to see your intonation is. And also throw a lot of octaves in, because that'll help you too. And fifths, power chords. So if the fifths are out, then you can just slide and idea of what the sound is true. So this is actually a very usable, nice tone. I didn't comment on it before. Piezo's can known to be quacky. We really get, you know, the attack of the note rings out more, and it's just is not the most musical sound to know. But you can tell this one here, each pot is cranked all the way up on the individual gain pots. Not a lot of quack, which is good. That's, again, tone all the way up. I'm going to roll the tone back. Slowly rolling back. Maybe about halfway, I guess, right there. Tone all the way back. Much darker, but still. You can still get the definition of the notes, but definitely more of a bass. Again, not nowhere near upright. Uprights have like the most incredible full sound. The note just actually absolutely blooms and is all the fundamentals and the overtones and everything is right there. You don't get that from a bass like this, unfortunately, but it's not as the tone up, but you can see here this is just the way I naturally approach it here. My thumb goes right here to the side of the neck, down the extension, so that way. It's incredibly fun, easy bass to play. If you are a bass player and you haven't had fretless, check it out. It does come in a fretted version as well, so it's a great, as the fretted version would be a great substitute. I did my Guild. You can check out my other videos there. The Guild Junior Jumbo Bass or Jumbo Junior Bass, whatever it is. This is a nice option for a bass. It looks acoustic. It'll fit right in. You can jam off. You need an amp, obviously, but no jackal licks for you. I am planning on learning a Remark You Made, which is an incredible song. So who knows? Maybe I'll post that at some point. Yeah, right. Once I get that down. Remark You Made, you may not be aware of that at all. It's a weather report song. It's more or less it's a incredible song. Wayne Shorter plays on it on sax, Joe Zawinul, of course, on the keyboards, and Jocko on the bass, and just has a just incredible melody. No words, no lyrics, but the melody. Just a great example of a melody expressing an emotion. But anyways, that's for another time. There you go. There's the tone. Hope you. Yeah. Don't touch it. Listen.